Hello, welcome to lesson 9. In this lesson, I'll be doing two things. Welcome to lesson 10. In this lesson, I'll be doing two things. I'll be adding photo column to the residence table in the database, and I will also update the data service in the BLAZOR WebAssembly app. So what we're going to do is I'll expand the database. I'll expand tables folder. Then I'm going to look for residence table. This is residence table. I'll right click on it. Then I'll select design from the context menu. So I'm going to create a new column called photo. The data type for photo column will be nvacamax. Now, after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll right click on the surface of the design view, and I'm going to select save residence from the context menu. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm back to the app. Then I'll click on data tab. I'll select Estate Society DB, which is an existing data source. I'll click next. Let me just choose optimistic concurrency here, and then I'll click next. I'm not generating any new CRUD pages here, so I'll click next. So you can see the Razin BLAZOR Studio is saying inferring data source, so we are going to wait a little while. So I'm going to pause the video while the data source is being inferred. So Razin BLAZOR Studio has finished inferring the data source. So let's expand the server project of the WebAssembly app. If we go to models, let's expand Estate Society DB folder, and let's examine resident class. That's resident of CS. I double click on it. Now if you scroll down, you will see that there is a new property on line 53 and 54. That's on line 53 we have a new string property called photo. Thank you for watching.